Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through my very first flipbook. This was a collaboration that I worked on with Cat Piano Entertainment. He provided a cool musical piece to the Lorax, Let It Grow. And I made this flipbook that kind of shows the process of a musical note going into the ground, getting hit by the sun, then slowly growing, and becoming a truffula tree. As you can see, this takes a lot of pages or frames to do so, but I figured it'd be a cool way to flip through each one so you can see what's going on. If anybody wants to guess or count how many frames are in this animation, comment below. The first person to get the correct number of pages, I will be giving them a surprise, doing a giveaway. So look forward to that, and if you haven't seen the actual collaboration yet, I'll provide a link to that in the end of the video. So this is the flipbook sped up to the actual speed of the animation. So you can see once you speed everything up, it looks pretty fluid. Keep in mind I didn't do as many frames as I probably could have, but like I said, this was a lot of frames and took a lot of time as is. And also was the first one that I did, so it was a learning experience. I learned a lot of things from doing this from the first time. One thing I found out that I wish I would have known beforehand is that it is important to use a little bit thicker paper, or else flipping it after you make all the actual drawings is a little bit tougher. I use thinner paper, so next time I'll use maybe like some notebook cards or something like that that has a little bit more rigidity, and it'll flip better. It'll also make a cooler sound. Thank you for watching my very first flipbook. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, make sure to share with a friend. And if you have any ideas for future flipbooks, also comment that below as well. I'm going to make sure to check out the Cat Piano collaboration, Let It Grow, that I did with the animation as well as some music in a previous video. I'll link that right here. And until next time, peace.